Hello and welcome back for another session about developing terminal report system from the scratch. In our previous lesson, we were able to design the terminal report and the cumulative record in Excel. So today we'll be looking at how we can bring that from Excel into Microsoft Word. So I already have opened Microsoft Word. Then I also have my Excel template. So all we need to do is to select what we have here. Then you do Control C to copy. Then I'll go back to my Word document, Control V to paste what I copied from Excel. So once that is done, let me reduce the so once it's here, you need to make some adjustment. So you click in it, then what do? You close the gap like that. So we need to do some work here. So Vedana is, let me make it 11. Okay. So the name is there, position in subject. So I can open this up. So let me put Ghana language here, which should be my, okay. So I know that my Ghana language should be okay. Then what do? I adjust this and I'll do the same. So you just position it. Once it turns into this particular symbol, you can just click and drag. So designing your terminal reports with Excel really helps. Okay, so now that I have this, I can just drag. So this is my position in subject. Good. So I should have something like this. So admission number obviously can be this way a little bit. Okay, then academic year. Okay, then let's see. My total score. And I can have this. And I have my position in the subject. Okay. So I think this is for our terminal reports. Sorry. Undo. Now hit enter. No, I didn't mean this. Hit enter to go down. So I need to reposition this. So once it's just pick the handle, bring it down here a little bit. Okay. Number one row. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll separate this from the other table on top. So I'll go to layout and I'll click on split table. Now bring this one down. Okay. so that I can control what is up there. So you just need some level of scale in Microsoft Word. Okay, so once that is done, I'll go to design, then I'll come to draw table to at least get something like this. So this way I can control this part without affecting what is up there. So Microsoft Word is not just Microsoft Word. You just need to understand the system and know how to use it. But I have a special masterclass for Word. If you want to learn Word up to the expert level, I can hook you up. Okay, so now this should be okay. I can control whatever is there. Good. So this will be that for, and I can even control this side as well. So we are just making some changes to what we've done. Okay, so let's see how I will apply some fill colors. I like using this to distinguish them. Nice and easy, like that. So once that is done, I click on the table, it gives me the table tools. Just want to check the time that I'm using. So you just be somewhere here. And I'll go to layout. Let me hide it. I'll go to layout. Then I'll come to design. So I want to change the style. Border style. I'll pick this particular style. So it's better you do it in Excel. And you come and do the final editing here in Microsoft Word. No, I don't need that extra line. I only need up to this point. Okay, later I'll delete it. So this is how you go about the design of your terminal report. So I do it like that. I do it like this. Remove. And I can do the same for this. I don't need what is at the top. Maybe start from here. We are just changing the design to make it look more appealing to the eyes. So it's important to devote time to learning the Microsoft Office application. So after learning, I'll give you the certification exam so that you can show to the entire world that you've got what it takes to use these applications. And for this side, Okay, let me forget about the borders and go to layout. Take my eraser, delete this. There is a row here. Delete rows. Okay. Now I go back to design, pick my border style, and I come back and do what I have to do. Okay. So escape. Then I need to reposition this like this. So if you want, you can just move this one here. Then I can even decide to insert another row, another column. So I insert to the right, 2 and 3. And I can think of bringing my grading system. The grading system I did for the cumulative record. So I'm just checking that from my iPad. Then we will continue with our design. Where is it? Where is it? Yes, I found it. Good. So we have a grading system first. So grading system. I'll select. Then what do I do? Come to merge cells. So this would obviously have to. Good. Then I need to bring it down. Then I have score. I have grade. I have remarks. But I want all of these in uppercase. I go to home, select uppercase. Then probably come and do a format painter. Then I select. So I have my score being 80 to 100, 75 to 79, 70 to 74, 65, 69, 61 to 64, 50 to 60, 45 to 49, 40 to 44. Then we have 0 to 39. Okay. Then I'll need to fill it with this particular gray like color. So I don't want you to use the same colors as I used. I want you to be innovative, think outside the box, and also design something different from what I have here. Okay. Then we know that this is if it's for senior high school, it is A1, B2, B3, C4, C5, C6, D7, E8, F9, and I come to excellent, very good, good, credit, credit, and then I come to pass, pass, then on class say fail or fail. So what I can do is to extend this. Good. Come to layout. Position it should be down like this. Yeah. Okay. So this is for our. Okay. So let me change increase the font size. Now, just the font size of the details of the school. Okay, so that it stands out. Then we can put the picture of the school somewhere here. So I'll have to go and insert my logo, which is found on my desktop. So we're designing everything. I need to look for the folder. Where is the folder? Okay, new folder. I'll go to all items. Then I'll come and pick my good. So once it's inserted, I'll say wrap text behind text. Now I can just do the cropping and take it up here. So this is my general template. So once I get the school's logo, I'll just go and do what? Replace it. So if you want to replace, you go to change picture, then you browse to where the school's logo is. You change all the details, the name, the logo, the address, and you have something nice and simple like this. So we don't need all of these other columns. So what do? We can put the head teacher's stamp or signature there. So what I'll do is I'll just merge and center. So merge cells. So if I want to insert the head teacher's signature, I'll go to insert pictures. So I can even use word art for this particular exercise. I'm just designing something from the top of my head. Then I'll just type so let me reduce the font size to about 11. So Farmer IT Training Services. Then headmaster or head teacher. Head teacher. Head teacher's office or department. Then what I'll need to do, I can take this one out like this. Then I'll need to do an enter first. Bring some dots. That is where our signature would be. So I'll do a couple of space, a couple of full stops like this. Okay. Okay, so I think this was it. And I'll come to insert. I'll go and look for a signature. Place one of my signatures somewhere here. Let me go to fit folder. That's my signature. I use paint for this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say behind text, and then come in properly, do the formatting. So I'll take this one here like this. So this will be the signature. So once I'm done with it, I'll do a control and select the picture. Then what do? I'll say what? Group. So once it's grouped, I'll send this backward. Good. Then I'll just bring it here. So it means I'll need more space. So what I'll do is I'll come here, hit tab to create another line. Okay. Okay, undo. So this will be okay for the head teachers. So class teachers remark, head teachers remark. So I'll cut this, paste it here. Then I'll merge and center. So you've got to be innovative and you need to think outside the box. Then I'll merge and center. You're making use of the space. Good. Then I need to go back to my design again, like my border styles. Yes. So as I come, if I want to change, you just click to change this. Head teachers office or academic office. Then you click on the signature. Then you go to format. So if you have the signature, you change it, then automatically it solves this particular issue. So nice and easy. Then I proceed to the next class. Okay, so let me take this one up a bit. Okay, then this one can also come up. Then we can have our logo up like this. So once I hit that, I can enter. Okay. I hit okay. I need to click on the back of it. Oh, I need to get to the next page. Okay, good. So now I'm at the next page. Go back, backspace, backspace, delete, delete. Undo, undo, undo what I've done. Because the space is too much. Undo. Okay, so this is okay. Undo. Okay, so I come to insert blank page. Good. So that is for the terminal report design. It's as simple as that. So let's look at the cumulative record. Let's look at the time I've spent. That's about 23 minutes. So I'll go back to my Excel worksheet. Then I'll go to cumulative record. So that should also solve that problem.